Namaste everyone. Let's learn how to make aroma candles at home today. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also let me know in the comment section below, how did you like this video? Let's begin now with the materials we need here. Aroma candles को बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले चाहिए हमें वैक्स. आप सोया वैक्स या पैराफिन वैक्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Otherwise you can also melt used tea lights and candles. Then you need some candle wicks. I've ordered these online and I'll share the link in the description box below. Then any of the essential oils that you prefer. You will also need some glass containers. Use containers in different sizes so that the arrangement in the end looks interesting. You may also use any tin container, and the tin container can be painted with white gesso and you can do some creative decoupage over that. Next, you need some candle making colors. You can also use crayons if you don't have these colors. You can mix 2 or 3 colors in order to get your desired color. For decoration, you'll need some rope in different colors. Then some ferns and petals. This fern I've taken from the tulsi plant. Rose petals. I usually keep these flowers and I dry them up. Rose petals I've stored in this jar. You can use some greens, some other dried flowers. The first step in this process is to measure the quantity of wax. आप जो भी कंटेनर लें उसकी डबल क्वांटिटी का वैक्स हमें लेना है. So pour twice the size or the volume of the container that you're taking. After the wax is completely melted, you can turn the heat off and let the wax cool down for a moment. After that, you can add your favorite color to the wax. And add 15 to 20 drops of essential oil in it. Now we are going to fix the wick onto the container. I'm using the molten wax to do this, but you can also stick the wick using any glue or hot glue gun. Also, I'm adding 2 wicks here because the glass container is big. If the glass container is even bigger, you can use 3 candle wicks. For a smaller container, 1 wick is enough. Now I'm sticking the ferns using the wax again. I'm sticking ferns and green leaves around the container, but you can do it as you prefer. Slowly pour wax in the glass container. You can save some wax for later use and pour wax in 2 or 3 rounds. Use any stick to keep the wicks straight and let this dry overnight. This is next morning now, and as I'm checking the candle, the wax in the center has actually gone down, so I've heated more wax and pouring it in the candle again. I'm actually enjoying the process of making candles. In the next, I have melted peach colored crayons into the wax and I'm adding some sandalwood essential oil, mixing it well and pouring it in the glass jar. Used 2 shades of oil pastels this time and created this beautiful sage green color. In this I'm adding lemongrass essential oil, and rest of the process will remain the same. In case you further want to dress up your candle, you can use some cords or jute rope and tie a nice bow around the neck of the candle. Make the bow smaller by pulling the ends, and then you can slide your favorite fern inside that. These beautiful handmade candles can be perfect gift for your loved ones. While you're relaxing and reading, these candles can set the right mood up along with a cup of tea. Enjoy! Please like, share and subscribe to Craftswitch. See you until next time.